The Keychron C1 offers an exceptional value for those in search of an affordable mechanical keyboard that doesn't compromise on essential features. Priced as one of the most budget-friendly options in the mechanical keyboard category, the C1 delivers a solid typing experience, especially for users working with both Windows and Mac OS. This 87-key wired keyboard is designed with a retro color scheme that will appeal to tech enthusiasts who appreciate the charm of classic computing aesthetics. One of the standout features of the Keychron C1 is its use of Keychron G Pro Brown switches. These switches provide a tactile and satisfying feel when typing, which is something that is often hard to find in keyboards within this price range. Whether you're typing for work, gaming, or casual use, these switches offer a balanced combination of responsiveness and quiet operation, which can be important for shared spaces or late-night typing. However, like any budget offering, the C1 has its drawbacks. The keyboard lacks backlighting, which may be a deal-breaker for some users, especially those who work in dimly lit environments. Additionally, while the keyboard supports both Windows and Mac OS, the lack of dedicated software means you won't be able to customize the keys or fine-tune your setup beyond the basic settings. This is not necessarily a major issue for many users, but is worth considering if you're looking for extensive customization. The C1's build quality is decent for its price point, though it's important to note that some keys exhibit a bit of wobble. This is due to the stabilizer placement, and while it doesn't interfere with regular use, it can be a slight annoyance during heavy typing sessions. What really makes the Keychron C1 stand out, though, is its affordability. For a mechanical keyboard with Keychron switches and a solid design, it offers a great balance of performance and cost. It's particularly well-suited for those who need a reliable, no-frills keyboard for general use without breaking the bank. Overall, the Keychron C1 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to experience the benefits of a mechanical keyboard without spending a premium. It strikes a nice balance between price, functionality, and style, making it a solid option for those on a budget. If you're in the market for a compact, affordable mechanical keyboard, the Keychron C1 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.